Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Morten Mumu, an English teacher of the 7th grade. So actually, the content of my channel will be much more about the English lesson for the 7th grade. Okay, let's check it out and hope you enjoy it. Now we are going to learn about the chapter 1. It is about good morning, how are you? And the first material which we are going to learn is about greeting. Okay, greeting in Indonesia atau dalam bahasa Indonesia, it means salam atau sapaan. Artinya salam atau sapaan. So right now we are going to learn how to say selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat sore, selamat malam, apa kabar, atau bagaimana keadaanmu hari ini dalam bahasa Inggris. Okay, and before studying about greeting atau salam, we need to know first the purposes of this study. Jadi kita ketahui dulu apa sih tujuan dari kita belajar greeting ini. Okay, and there are 3 purposes here. Ada 3 tujuan di sini. The first one, nantinya di akhir pembelajaran nanti, peserta didik diharapkan mampu menyebutkan dan memahami ungkapan yang digunakan untuk sapaan dalam bahasa Inggris. The second purpose is menyusun teks interaksi sederhana mengenai ungkapan sapaan dalam bahasa Inggris. And the third purpose is melakukan tindak tutur sapaan dalam bahasa Inggris. Next. Okay, please pay attention to the pictures here. Pay attention and listen carefully. On the left side picture first. Good morning, Dad. Good morning. How are you? So, good morning, it means selamat pagi. And how are you, it means apa kabar. Next, good morning, Siti. How are you? Good morning, Mom. I'm fine, thanks. Okay, jadi I'm fine ini adalah respons dari pertanyaan how are you. Jadi ketika tanyakan how are you atau apa kabar, responsnya atau balasannya adalah I'm fine. Artinya saya baik-baik saja. Okay, good morning, Siti. How are you? Good morning, Mom. I'm fine, thanks. Next, good morning, Lina. Good morning, Benny. How are you? And number 4 here. Good morning, Linda. How are you? Good morning, Mr. Rita. I'm fine, thank you. Jadi sekali lagi, ketika ditanyakan how are you, responsnya atau balasannya adalah I'm fine. And pay attention to the pictures on the right side here. Good afternoon, sir. How are you? Good afternoon, Udin. I'm fine, thanks. And you? I'm fine too, sir. Thank you. Okay. Good afternoon, it means selamat siang atau selamat sore. And please pay attention here. Di sini sudah ada mulai perbedaan. Jadi ketika di sini ditanyakan how are you, kita kan balas dengan I'm fine. Tapi di sini bukan hanya sekedar membalas, tapi juga memberikan feedback atau umpan balik atau pertanyaan balik. Jadi how are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Dan kamu bagaimana? Jadi bukan hanya bertanya, tapi juga bertanya balik. Dan jawabannya juga di sini, kalau kita ingin menjawab dengan hal yang sama, cukup tambahkan akhiran to. Jadi dari kata I'm fine menjadi I'm fine too. Artinya saya baik-baik juga. Okay, next. Hi Benny, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. How about you? I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, jadi kalau kita ingin memberi feedback atau pertanyaan balik, kita juga bisa menggunakan kata how about you. Selain and you, kita juga bisa menggunakan how about you. Artinya sama ya, bagaimana denganmu. Okay, dan kalau kita ingin memberikan jawaban yang sama, misalnya saya juga baik-baik saja, cukup tambahkan akhiran to. I'm fine, I'm fine. And you bisa juga dengan how about you. Okay, next. Okay, please pay attention to this picture. Good evening everybody. How are you? Good evening, it means selamat malam. Good evening sir, we are fine. Thanks. How are you sir? Fine, thanks. Okay, next. Good evening sir. Hi, good evening. How are you? I'm fine, sir. Okay, next. Good evening, Mr. and Mr. Smith. Good evening, Mr. and Mr. Atman. How are you? We are fine, thank you. And the last one here. Good Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Good evening, good. Jadi selain membalas dengan I'm fine, kita juga bisa membalas dengan I'm good. Artinya, oke, artinya saya juga baik-baik. I'm fine and I'm good artinya sama ya. Artinya saya sehat-sehat atau saya lagi baik-baik saja. And next, okay, please pay attention here. On the left side here is about greetings atau ungkapan salam. And on the right side here about responses atau balasan. Okay, jadi on the left side here about greetings, ungkapan salam, and on the right side here about responses atau balasan. On the left side here is about greetings atau ungkapan salam, and on the right side here is about responses atau balasannya. So right now we are going how to greet someone, how to ask for someone condition instead of using the word how are you and instead of replying with I'm fine. Jadi sekarang kita akan belajar bagaimana menanyakan kabar selain menggunakan how are you dan bagaimana membalasnya selain menggunakan I'm fine. Oke, jadi selain how are you dan I'm fine, kita langsung ke nomor 2. Kita bisa menggunakan how's life. How's life artinya sama dengan how are you, yaitu apa kabar. So if I say how's life, your response is I'm good. Okay, I'm good. Gunakan I'm good if you are feeling okay, and use I'm not good if you are feeling not okay. Jadi hanya tambahkan kata not kalau keadaan kalian lagi sedang tidak baik-baik saja. And if I say how's life, you can reply it with I'm fine or I'm good, karena artinya sama. Bisa dibalas dengan I'm fine atau I'm good. It's up to you. And number 3, how's everything? How's everything? How's everything juga artinya sama dengan how are you, yaitu apa kabar. And if I say how's everything, your response is I'm okay. I'm okay. Bisa dibalas dengan I'm okay, or I'm fine, or I'm good. It's up to you, karena artinya sama. Jadi bisa dibalas dengan I'm fine, I'm good, or I'm okay. And number 4, what's up? What's up? What's up juga artinya apa kabar, sama dengan 3 yang sebelumnya. And if I say what's up, your response is nothing. Nothing. It's up to you how to respond it. You can respond it with I'm fine, I'm good, I'm okay, or nothing. Bisa dibalas dengan I'm fine, I'm good, I'm okay, or nothing, karena artinya sama. Kemudian berikut, what's new? What's new? What's new itu juga artinya apa kabar. If I say what's new, your response is not much. Not much. Artinya biasa-biasa saja. Okay? Jadi sekali lagi, if I say how are you, how's life, how's everything, what's up, or what's new, you can reply it with I'm fine, I'm good, I'm okay, nothing, or not much. Bisa dibalas dengan I'm fine, I'm good, I'm okay, nothing, or not much. Karena artinya semua di sini sama, yaitu saya baik-baik saja. Tapi kalau keadaan kalian tidak baik-baik saja, cukup tambahkan kata not di tengah kalimat tersebut. Misalnya I'm not fine, I'm not good, or I'm not okay. Oke, dan berikutnya yang nomor 6. If I say good morning, for sure your response is good morning. Kalau dibilang good morning, pastinya dibalas dengan good morning. Good day, good day. Good afternoon, good afternoon. And good evening, good evening. Good morning it means selamat pagi. Good day means selamat siang. Good afternoon means selamat siang atau selamat sore. And good evening it means selamat. Next. Okay, so right now I will give you example. Conversation example about greetings instead of using how are you and I'm fine. Untuk percakapan greeting tanpa menggunakan how are you atau I'm fine. Okay, on the left side First, dari yang sebelah kiri dulu, number 1, teacher and student. Good morning. Good morning, sir. How's everything? I'm okay. And you? Very well, thank you. Jadi feedbacknya di sini atau pertanyaan baliknya di sini menggunakan kata and you. Jadi once again, good morning. Good morning, sir. How's everything? I'm okay. And you? Very well, thank you. And on the right side here, please pay attention and listen carefully. Example number 2, Vianney and Leora. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. What's up? I'm fine. How about you? I'm good. Thanks. Jadi feedbacknya atau balasannya di sini menggunakan how about you. Bisa and you, bisa how about you. Sekali lagi once again. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. What's up? I'm fine. How about you? I'm good. Thanks. Okay, so that's all for today. That's all for today material, and thank you so much.